My name is Senora D'Souza.
I am Mamta Prabhu. I started playing around age of 9, and then I played in the district level, state level, national level, and reached the international.
I started playing table tennis at the age of 7. I couldn't understand anything about the sport. It was really funny hitting all the balls outside instead of landing them on the table. But then eventually it's life and everyone learns and improves.
A lot of favorites from Roger Federer to Sachin Tendulkar to Hima Das, who is the current generation. But I am really motivated by the story of Mary Kom, who has been such an inspiration to all the athletes and all the ladies, women out there in India.
Personal favorite is Roger Federer.
My favorite actor is Amir Khan.
I don't watch much movies, but depends on the movie. Like if I like a particular movie, then I like the actor.
My favorite food is Thai curry and rice because it's really easy to digest, and I love since I'm from Konkan side, I love the coconut flavor, so I just love Thai curry and rice. I can have it anytime.
I eat chicken every day, chicken and non-veg every day.
I use Facebook a lot of time.
I use Instagram, a lot of Instagram.
So I know she'll be a dog because she loves dogs, but I'll also be a dog. It is a very loyal friend you can have, so I would like to be a dog.
She has said everything. I would love to be a dog. Yeah, they are so loyal, so playful, so friendly. I mean, I see that wagging tail and just makes my day.
The basic banking tip that please don't, so that time I wasn't even earning. So please don't waste our money. Please use it for the right purpose. So that is basically they taught me how to save. So that is I'm thankful to them.
Yes, whatever money you're earning, invest it for a better future.
I just got this answer recently. I think I just cannot live without my table tennis bat. I tried to leave it, but still it is just a part of my life now.
Table tennis, I mean, the sport will continue even if we stop playing, but we can play in a way like for fun, for enjoyment. Anyone can play. So table tennis, my family.
Oh, Mr. Bean. I just love Mr. Bean. It's a lot of hard work and a lot of struggle to manage both the things, but thankfully Bank of Baroda as well as Dena Bank has been very supportive for a sports person in carrying both the roles very efficiently.
So very grateful to erstwhile Dena Bank and Bank of Baroda for supporting all the sports players and giving them facilities and hearing them whatever their needs are, and providing time off so that we can even practice and even work and balance it out.
Don't ever share your OTPs or passwords, or do not give any information on the phone, because banking people never call you for any information.
Your personal important information, kindly do not share it with anyone. Confirm it, and the best way to confirm it is directly contact the bank or the branch and solve your queries.